So I missed the dramatic footage, but that right in the middle was a palm tree that had no top to it. And so it was dead, and it came with the place, and so we had to pay, I'm hearing, almost $100 for it to get chopped down like it just was, very dramatically, and then hauled off because it's extremely heavy. But they're very dangerous to have on your property because they could fall over during the storm. Actually, we wanted to get this before the hurricane, Hurricane Grace, but we didn't quite make that deadline. So we tried to get it out as soon as possible. So that was today, which is just a handful of days after the hurricane. So it's gone for now, and we're going to be happy about that. We have another one on the property, but they actually tied electrical wires to it. So we're gonna keep it. It's not as tall, and so hopefully it's not a problem. So that's the update today. We've had that, and the pool is coming along nicely as well. We've had, they're working on it every day, except for Sundays, of course. And it's coming along really, really nicely. I'm gonna show you a really quick look-see at it. We got the concrete in place, and now they're just kind of blocking it off a little bit more before they start doing the edges. That's going to be our little palm tree island right there, and the steps. We did that differently. As you notice, we actually have these more of a gradual step into the deep end of the pool. Deep end of the pool over there. So, and this area over here is going to be very shallow. Actually, we'll put like a lawn, chair, chase lounger here, surrounded, and you can be able to be in that while you're surrounded by water, which is going to be kind of cool. And the deep end won't be affected by these stairs. It's still all deep there. And then these little stairs here, we're just having the tube. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom, because this is the way you get into the pool, and this is just to be able to, jump from the shallow to the deep end, like I tend to do. And that way I can do my laps swimming here a bit, and we can get some sun here. We have a lot of palm trees, but this is where we kind of lay out and be in the water at the same time, which is kind of nice. So it's coming along really well. We're totally enjoying it. They're doing the wheelhouse right over there. Still the wheelhouse, I'm sorry, the pool house. All the pool equipment is going to be in a house right over there, and right there in the middle of the frame there where the big hole is. And so they're still working on that, but drains, which are right there mid-frame, are all connected over there. So they're just getting that ready for the equipment. So if you're enjoying this, make sure you like and leave a comment. If you're interested in maybe knowing more, or just encourage me to keep doing these videos, and subscribe to the channel so that you keep up to date. Make sure you hit that bell notification button so that you get notifications of, hey, my Mexican house, beach house, renovations vlog that I'm doing as we fix this place up so that we can enjoy, of course, the oceans, which is right over there, but also our own pool and a steam room. We're having a lot of things done still. We have a in-house water pressurizer system put in, because the top master bedroom, which is on the 3rd floor, the shower is very weak because it doesn't, the water is stored on the roof, and so it doesn't have very far to go. The shower downstairs in the casita is actually pretty good. It doesn't need it, but the one upstairs do. So we're gonna do that. Plus, apparently, a steam room needs some pressurized water just to get to the steamer engine thing that we bought, which we have. It's in our bodega right now before it gets installed. So we got a lot of upcoming projects coming up, plus of course the pool. See you guys next time. Bye.